Great. So you should say, very good. Huh? Wonderful. Hey, everybody, let's look at here and say, good job. Come back and sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay. Very good. Next student, next student. Well done. Excellent. Pig. Mouse. Dog. Cat. Pig. Tell me, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Uncle.
Uncle.
Wonderful. Mother.
Mother.
Father.
Father.
Cousin.
Cousin.
Grandmother.
Master.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Grandfather.
Father.
Very good. Come back and sit down, please. 3. Dog. Very good. Cat. Mouse. Pig. Cat. Mouse. Dog. Good job. Okay, come here, please. What should you say?
Thank you.
Good job. Come on.
She is my cousin.
Very good.
He
He.
is my grandfather.
Wonderful.
She is my mother.
Okay.
He is my uncle.
Good job.
She
She.
is my grandma.
Good job. Sit down, please. Come on. Well done. 4. One more time. Come on. Shake your hands. Number. Well done. Number. Well done. Come back and sit down. Number. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, come back and sit down, please. Okay, stand up and come here. All right. I can't hear you. Good job. Come back and sit down, please. Hi, hi. And say, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on. Good job. Well done. Very good. Wonderful. Rabbit. Okay. Well done. Everybody, let's look up here and say rabbit. If you want to play, raise your hand. Okay, stand up, come here, please. Stand up, come here, stay at this line. Very good. Okay, stand up, come here, stand up. Stand up, okay, stand up, come here. Alright, stay here, please. Very good. Well done, guys. Now, everybody, let's look at here and say, ready. One more time, ready. Now, let's jump and say, very good. Well done. Excellent. Good job. Okay. Okay, let's look at here and say, ready. Okay, now let's jump and say, ready. Very good. Well done. All right. Good job. Very good. Okay. Very good. Wonderful. Cat. Okay, good job. Okay. Very good. Well done. Wonderful. Well done. Good job. Very good. Cat. Well done. Excellent. Your neighbor. Very good job. Very good. Excellent. Cat. Well done. Very good. Come on, next one. Good job. Well done. Very good. Let's give it to you and say cat. Very good. Okay. Cat. Very good.
I like fish. I like meat. I like orange. I like cat. I like watermelon.
Continue, please. Hey guys, tell me, what do you like? What do you like? I don't understand. What do you like? What should you say? I don't understand. 1, 2, 3, come on.
I like potato. I like chicken. I like watermelon. I like car. I like orange. I like meat. I like fish.
Guys, tell me, what do you like? Huh? So, what should you say?
I like salad.
Wonderful. Now, come back. Come back.
I like fish.
Jump.
I like meat.
Okay.
I like orange. I like car. I like watermelon.
Very good.
I like chicken. I like
Put.
potato.
What?
I like potato.
Good job.